Hey guys, Pepper in the Woods here, and this video would focus on my bug out bag contents. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Our videos are mostly about gear reviews, prepping, and bushcraft type videos, so stay tuned for what's in this beast of a bag. So in my last video, you saw me put a waist belt onto this bag, which is the first tactical 3-day bag. I'm going to put my Condor water pouch on the hip belt so I'll have water ready. Now inside this belt, inside this pouch here, I'm going to try to talk fast and get rid of everything really quickly. So you have the Pathfinder lid, the bottle, which has my Sawyer mini filter set up inside of it. You've got some spoon, a bellow, and then you have a large cooking cup in there, another spoon, and I have the straw for the mini Sawyer. In the front bit, I have the fish mouth openers, a knife sharpener, a ferro rod, the bottle, and the Sawyer. So that's all my water filtering stuff. I also have water tablets in here and in here. So that's my water at the moment. Now on front of the bag, I have this first aid kit, which is a rip-away one. So in an emergency, take that off, do what you gotta do, and everything is here nice and neat. But I'm going to start from the front and the outside and then work my way back. So I'm going to clip the side hooks. And I'm just going to take everything out, show you what it is, and then just chuck it to the side and put it back together later on. So here's my first pack of food, which does have a pack of water in there. And then there's some more carbs and protein in that one. And that's it for the front. Moving on to the next one. This is some cordage in there, also with a sewing awl, and I'll show you why I put everything on a molly in the end. I have Kevlar gloves, so I'm always cutting myself. And then in this pocket here, I have my admin stuff. So I have a my marker, a couple of pens, another marker, a small eyeglass screwdriver. And then in here I have a signaling mirror, a pencil sharpener, a lens for starting fires, a ruler, my notebook, and a neck knife. So just keep that all in there. Working from this side pocket here, I have a wind-up torch, a mask, dust mask, a basher where I waterproofed it again because I've been using it so much, and it has cordage in here already set up for putting up a hammock. I got my radio with a long antenna, so thank you Dell for that. And that's it from that side pocket. On the opposite side here, this is my bivy bag. I'll put all the specs for this one. I've done a review on this one already. But inside this one, you have the emergency blanket. Another one for the heat reflective blankets. So that's two. So I can put one on the ground if I wanted to in emergency. I got a bug head net. And I think that's it in that one. Have some zip ties. And that's it for the side pockets. From this front pocket here, I just have a screwdriver with some more bits inside and some batteries for my head torch. A pair of binoculars and a knife sharpener. Fishing kit, 2 more masks, my cables and battery chargers for that, so I can charge some AAA's, AA batteries, a couple different types of phones, and my phone as well. And that's it on that one. Right, now onto the main compartment. So starting from here, I have another mask, some cooking oil, some soap, some hygiene stuff in that one. This one here, I got a bit more food, tissues, condiments. Got a bit of fire gel in that one. I have a catapult with some bearings in that one. Some work gloves, toothpaste, some honey, some more water tablets in that one. Side pockets here now. I have a mini survival kit, which I'll probably do a review on soon. I have a wind-up radio. I have a little multi-tool, another little wrench, because I'm trying to plan this more towards an urban idea, and some nail clippers in that one. I got another multi-tool. This one has a good pair of pliers on it, and some duct tape. On this small pouch here, I have a compass, some deodorant. I got a mouse trap, food for free book, a SAS book. Right, and this is the main compartment side. Here I have a army poncho, and it's a really good poncho. I like that one. It's a good size one. I have a knee pad, and I have a lock set picks, right? But it's not just the lock set picks I have in here, because I also have the universal key, my lock picks, some more security bits in here, and I also have some bump keys in there. So not just normal locks in here, which I have, so it's a bit more universal for different types of environment. And then there you got more car stuff and other kind of locks. Again, you got to practice with these, but so there's the batteries for the wind-up torch. Oh, not wind-up torch, my head torch. I opted for this one because it's universal tools. I took the crowbar out because there's a crowbar head on anyway. I can chop something with that one, and I have a hammer and a nail remover, because then I can pull nails out and stuff out of places, and then maybe, you know, use it to make my own stuff, or you know, reinforce doors upon entry, all that kind of stuff. So a bit of a multi-tool there instead of having a hammer with me. I opted for the Black's cook kit because it has a top. You can use that to eat off. I keep my condiments in there, my brew kit, got a spork and a pan there for frying on, but I also have the cooker in there as well. So it's kind of like a nice little space saver, so I'm going to use that one. I do have loads of cook kits though, so right. Got a schmog, a thermal t-shirt, because now we're in winter. Once this goes summer, I'll have a bit more space in here. I got a spare pair of socks. I got a hoodie there. Some thermal pants. I got a warm hat and some thermal trousers. Now, that one I just have a saw. If I put it in this, so it doesn't shred up anything else in my bag. I got some waterproof trousers. That's my fire kit. I've done a video on that already. And for cutting tools, I have loads of options here. And I've opted for this one, which is my Schrade 37. I took the coating off, but it's just been a chunk of a steel knife. This is a couple of years old, so I have used it quite well. And it's not the ones that Chris Tanner was having a problem with the heat, you know, temperature and the rest of it. And I have a ferro rod and knife sharpener in the front of it, so that's kind of a good setup there. But then I'm also going to bring this one, which is the Gerber Strong Arm, and it's a known tough knife. You can see I've used it. The handle's dirty, but it's a good handle. So when your hands are wet, especially the weather we have, you're not going to have any problems with it. It's a really good knife, full tang, bit of a crushing bit on the bottom there, but it's a really tough knife. Loads of videos on it for you know, knife tests. But so those are my cutting tools there. On top of my multi-tools and other bits I have in there. Those are the big ones. So that's what I have in my bag at the moment. Again, it's always changing, but I cover the 10 C's. So you got cutting tool, combustion, cover, container, candle, cotton, compass, cargo tape, and canvas needle. So canvas needle is just my sewing oil anyway. But I have all that in there. You also got comms. I have my clothes and I have food. So, you know, I have, you know, communication for the radio. I can't really get to anybody. I can get emergency signals, but I can't get to other people because I'm too far away, and other preppers are like, you know, a bit of a distance that my radio can reach. So let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think I'm missing out on? Might be something in there that, you know, I didn't say, like in the hygiene kit or something like that you might mention or whatever. But let me know what you think in the comment section. I also like stuff being on a molly. Like I could put the rope, the knife, the water bottle, and maybe one other thing on a belt system, and keep 4 things on a belt. That way I can hide my bag or leave the bag behind and then go get some stuff back, you know, and kind of scavenge a bit. That way I'm a bit more free instead of leaving everything with the bag and bringing the bag with me in case I got to run or something. But that was the idea of putting things in molly pouches. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching, taking your time to watch my videos. Really appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.